Danish, I think, is a very good actor. I think Danish does well in what he does. It's just that you see Danish on a repeat, which is a sad thing, because I think this boy has the potential to do so much more than just what he is doing. But he's happy with doing what he does. So I will give Danish. वो अच्छी तरीके से portray कर रही है, and she is a real cutie pie. When she smiles, she's got a lovely smile. आई थिंक रोमांस अभी उसकी तरफ से तो नहीं शुरू हुआ, दानिश की तरफ से ज़्यादातर शुरू हुआ है. सो सहर को आई एम गोइंग टू गिव हर अ 7 फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग टिल दानिश के.
Okay.
Because then it became a repetition of what we've seen. The way he comes and जो enter करता है और जो जो वो जो typical एक दानिश तैमूर का एक स्टाइल है. लेकिन कहानी फिर भी चली, which was a good thing. So I really liked it. Who I was very impressed by was this young girl, who we had absolutely slaughtered, if you remember, in a
Sahar
play.
Hashmi.
हाँ, we had absolutely slaughtered, and someone told us कि आपने इसका career तबाह कर दिया है.
What was she in before?
She was in this play where she was very weak.
जुल्म की बात हो रही.
Can't remember. हाँ, I think Zulm.
Faisal Qureshi.
अच्छा.
So she was. It was probably her first play, and whether the director didn't get the right potential, but the performance was very weak. It was. So we really slaughtered the poor little soul. But needless to say कि मुझे पता है कि हम. I knew that was not going to be her only drama because A, she's a very pretty girl.
Very pretty.
B, she's very fair. She's slim. She's the perfect.
Heroine material.
She looked like a young Mavish Hayat.
Lovely eyes.
Exactly, like you see like young Mavish Hayat.
So now seeing her in this, it was a very premature statement to make. कि आप किसी की
उस प्रोजेक्ट और उस परफॉर्मेंस की बात है, फिर उसकी
वही
लाइन
मैं कह रही हूँ, and I knew that.
लेकिन मुझे दोस्तों की बहुत अच्छी लगी थी, सहर हाशमी ने उसको भी कहा था.
हाँ, आप तो
जिसमें नादिर मेरा मजाक भी उड़ाया था.
जाते हैं, आप तो सिर्फ ब्यूटी पे जाते हैं, आप परफॉर्मेंस पे नहीं जाते. हम तो परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बात करेंगे. But well done, little one. Really, you've held your ground. Everything. Yes, ups and downs होंगे, हमेशा होंगे. Everyone who comes into this industry for the first time, आपके ups and downs होंगे. लेकिन वहाँ से जो आपकी journey यहाँ तक है, excellent. Really good. I really enjoyed it. I liked the story. I think it's going to be a classical Romeo Juliet because two feuding families जिसमें से एक लव अफेयर निकलेगा, तो वो तो हमें पता है. बट आई होप कि ये लोग फ्यूड के साइड्स पे ज़्यादा फोकस करें देन द रोमांस. द रोमांस फॉर मी a little cringy right now because you can see the age difference. There is an age difference that's coming across. But मुझे लगता है कि once I think full-fledged romance शुरू हो जाएगा and all that, and we get used to the characters and all, probably we will accept this age difference. As Nadia just spoke about it, so I'm not going to go into detail about it because उसके जो friends भी है ना, friends को भी आपको ज़रा से older friends choose करने चाहिए थे, I feel. But for me, I will say that I enjoyed it.
One thumbs up, not bad.
Because first episode तो moved like crazy. End तक it moved beautifully कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या आपके characters establish हो रहे हैं. And there I felt that Faizan did such a great job. Starting with Uzma, when you don't see her from the back and you just hear her voice, and then you just see this woman loading a woman loading a gun.
Nice
And the chamber, it just sort of got your mind thinking about it. And then when she turns around, I didn't know it was her. It was a lovely thing. And then she goes and does that. There was a scene, if you remember, I don't know whether you will, but when she's sitting and the young girl comes and stands in front of her also. वो कहती है बस करे, तो वो बैठ के कुछ कर रही होती है और फिर दानिश इसकी तैमूर की बात हो रही होती है. क्या नाम है दानिश का इसमें? कबीर की बात हो रही होती है. और वो the shot is that the gun is here and the girl is standing there and you can see her hands. और वो कबीर को वो कर रही होती है, she's cursing him out and she's saying this gun is going to, and उस लड़की का हाथ ऐसे clench होता है. It was brilliant. What I really loved about a lot of the scenes was that आपको स्टोरी जो थी ना इन मूवमेंट से पता चल रही थी कि कौन किसके लिए क्या फील कर रहा है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. Very very nice. I think the way he was framing people, I loved the blue scene. To me it was it's unusual because normally हमेशा कह रहे होते हैं कि हाँ contrast करें, everyone should not be wearing the same color.
बिल्कुल.
But मुझे अच्छा लगा, because it just comes across very very different. I love the gun loading scene. I love the shots. They were just very it was मुझे लगा था attention to detail बहुत ज़्यादा थी उस म्यूज़िक, बैकग्राउंड म्यूज़िक very 70s, very filmy, very tan, not nice at all. फिर मुझे जो चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी थी which was the even though it started cringy, which was the dance sequence, and he comes towards this girl and they go into this little, you know, but when they come out with the friends, एक जो friend है उसको यहाँ खींच रहा है, दूसरी वो उसको वहाँ खींच रही है, and realization of उनको लड़कों को तो पता है कौन है, and then the girls recognize who this. I thought in a शादी sequence, I thought it was a very interesting sequence, and he shot it very very well. I thought he then there was a point which I don't know whether it was symbolic or it wasn't or what it meant, but it just looked good. Both the boys come face to face जब वो prove कर रहा होता है कि मेरे भाई ने चोरी नहीं की, तो क्या कहते, क्या है दूसरे बच्चे का नाम who's lost lot of weight now?
सिकंदर था और
सिकंदर
रियल लाइफ में अदनान समद.
There were two golden parrots in the back. Did you see that? They were in frame, and then these. It was just, I don't know. I just found that the shots,
Detailing.
the detailing was just really really nice. In at least the first episode में जहाँ बड़ों की कहानी आ रही है, जहाँ वो interact कर रहे हैं, जहाँ वो सारा हो रहा होता है कि ये किसने मारा है, वो बंदे को उसको ले आते
और
हैं.
दानिश ने वहाँ पे गन भी बड़े अच्छे तरीके से
Very
लिया।
good, very very good.
बिल्कुल ऐसा
All
लग
good.
रहा
बहुत अच्छा था.
हाँ. So I feel that this is a story. If again, I feel it's a good combination of director and what you may call it, writer over here. If they don't let it go, I hope they keep the grip of the, because abhi grip hai. The love story part I'm not enjoying because there's too much of an age difference. I wish they had given this thing, but I think once the boy and the girl actually, in fact शादी वाले सीक्वेंस में, पूरे रेंज सीक्वेंस में मैं सोच रही थी कि वो जब जारी होती है वो उसका भाई आएगा लेने के लिए और वहाँ इसको पता चलेगा. I think that would have been a fantastic moment where he, और ये लड़के बता क्यों नहीं रहे, ये भी बात मुझे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रही. क्यों नहीं बता रहे कि ये लड़की कौन है अभी तक, वो
कौन सा सीक्रेट
झूठ बोल दी. क्यों झूठ बोल रहे हो यार, क्या हो जाएगा? At least it's better than what is happening right now. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही.
जिस लेवल की इनकी दुश्मनी है, इनको पता है कि ये हुंडा भी बन जाता है.
Exactly.
इनको डर नहीं लगेगा इसे छुपाते
So I really don't
तो
know.
मजाक भी
उनको
नहीं
तो
है.
समझ आ रहा है
Serious
ये दोनों दोस्त क्यों छुपा रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ ये बात जो है ना नहीं समझ आई. But so far छोटा रोल बड़ा रोल, everything is working well for this type of drama. It may not be something that I might say कि oh I really want to see this drama, but I think this is going to do very well. I think it's going to do very well.
ओके तो
I'm going to give them both an 8.
8
Yeah. Because इसमें एक subtlety है उसकी feelings में कि she likes this guy, but she hates him at the same time for the reason that he killed her father. But because obviously they grew up together, तो वो सारी emotions जो हैं